In grade 4, activity initial by Andrea Victor Hernandez, National Artista University una month, February. This is my dad. His name is Luis Eduardo Torre. He's a 55 years old. He's a brown skinned and has a brown hair. He's a merchant. She's a champion. One of the things he likes is fixing around the house. He's a bit bitter man, right? This is my mom. Her name is Rosaide Hernandez. She's a 55 years old. She's a white skin and has short brown hair. She is a merchant but different from my daddy. She worth everything for me and my brother too. She is a champion. One of the things she likes is to see herself and see the statue of the people. And for example, WhatsApp and Facebook, okay? The history. She likes to watch TV in her free time. This is my brother. His name is Jesus Eduardo. He's a 21 years old. He's on his own business from him. He's a fat too. He's a very in love person, and he really like sport like soccer. Finally, this is mine. My name is Andrea Hernandez. I am 21 years old. I am thin. I have brown over a hair depend on when I pay my hair. I am white. I like to dress well. I think I like to study language. I speak three languages. I speak English. I think I be one. I speak Portuguese. I speak sign language. I am learning another, and I am learning French, and now not right. I give advice of I give advice on homework and help my mom. I like to then watch TV. I read. I am fan of the Alien and Cosmo segments. Thank you very much.